just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a green vest, purple pants, and a yellow scarf around his neck. What happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. 𝐐𝐲, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found 𝐐𝐲's dad! Officer Kiki, it's terrible! My purse has been stolen! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! You found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.
The car is almost out of gas. Fill it up!
We need more gas.
Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! Oh. Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help?